Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And this is the intraday for the gold. As we can see, not so much has happened today, and we see a little bit more red actually on the 1 hour chart. We still see here a potential of probably an impulse toward the downside as a 1 2 1 2 3 and then 4 5 4 5. So the things are still a little bit very confused, and we don't see really that clear price action that we were looking at before. We miss the gold price action that we had before. We still see a lot of volatility, a lot of sideways as well, a lot of correction. We still, of course, around this area where we might still be in a 1-2 here. Now, this corrective wave, which is very volatile and very choppy here, is still, of course, definitely unfolding something potentially here. It can be a zigzag in case that this is an impulse and it wants to take the low. Therefore, you are looking here potentially at double zigzag in a W, X, and a Y. I'm pretty sure that this is a complex structure, W, X, and a Y. Because definitely what's going on here is nothing impulsive, is simply very choppy, a lot of confusion, hesitation, and which of course unfold in this case scenario something very complex, which is of course a W, X, and a Y here. This wave Y might be your zigzag there, finishing inside this blue box as a wave 2, and finally finding a new psychology, hopefully, in that we move toward the upside. I would like to mention as well, without Nasdaq moving towards the downside, towards this blue box, you cannot expect the gold to move for higher. Okay, so Nasdaq has to move down and start to unfold the impulse wave 3. Of course, not wave 3. Actually, it is yes, it is wave 3. We have a diagonal here, also 1 2. So in confluence, I would like to see this, of course, when the gold has started to unfold something towards the downside. Now, I'm expecting anyway higher prices for Nasdaq for wave 2, which it might, of course, also create a little bit lower here for the gold, meaning finishing the zigzag. And the things might start to be clearer and to unfold, hopefully, of course, because right now it's very boring and untradeable, I would say, still. And still here, not very clear if this is gonna be a 1-2, and especially right now after today, with this drop down here. First, it has started something corrective, but again, confusion and like misleading, I would say, right? Misleading in the market right now. It's I prefer, of course, to just stay aside and watch currently. This is what I'm doing regarding the gold, because the gold is not, you cannot really just risk with it by unclear clarity and unclear price action, right? So we still need some clarity. We need very good pattern to be finished and to see something unfolding for higher sooner or later anyway. So whatever is going on in the small area, anyway, we're looking for higher. We are very sideways and corrective, and we're still looking for higher at the end. And after this high, potentially, yes, we might drop even to take this low. So you cannot expect directly a 4K. And we might move 3K first and then 4K. But before this, of course, I'm expecting one more high for the gold before moving down. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.